Hi, I'm Paul Williams from Lowbake. I'm the technical director of the business. My role is everything to do with the product, from development to supporting the product, improving the product, and the direction the company is going. How did I get started in the industry? Wow, that sounds like I have a choice. So, Lowbake was started by my father, Mark, and we've basically grown around the business since we were young kids, from school holidays to Saturdays down there working. I don't know if it was legal, but child labour we always were. As we progressed, I finished up high school in 2016 and did my electrical apprenticeship there at work. From that I progressed to becoming a Type B gas fitter, which is anything to do with gas. The spray booth falls under that sort of category of licence. So my old man always struggled finding a Type B gas fitter, so he decided to breed his own. So that's why I took that pathway, and now as I've progressed, I've taken on the role as technical director to continuously improve our product and continue the research and development for our business. What do I like most about the industry? Where do I start? There's a couple of things. I love working with our customers. We're privileged to have such a great clientele base. Our customers are always very passionate about the industry. It's ever advancing, and we're here to provide the equipment and the tools to continue with that advancement of the industry. A lot of industries stay behind with the times and they don't move, whereas us, and this is privy to being at the Collision Repair Expo and what's on show and what's on offer, is that it's continuously advancing, and that's what I hope Lowbake will also follow that journey and advance with it. Dislike about the industry, that's a hard question. Sometimes I think it's difficult to see. As a company, we're very big on compliance. We ensure that our products are engineered products, that they work, both performance and in safety. And I think sometimes it's disappointing when we see installations that aren't compliant and there isn't an emphasis on safety and performance. Obviously that's key to our product. So that's disappointing, and similarly when the technical regulators that don't seem to enforce this kind of thing, makes it rather difficult and hard, because for us compliance is so important. Mark's been a great advocate for safety and compliance in the industry. He has a heavy involvement in the Australian standards, and from a technical perspective his knowledge is second to none. I don't know anyone personally better in that respect, so there's definitely that side. I definitely do admire him. Then likewise some of our customers, I sort of mentioned before, the likes of Tony Ferrugia. Like I said, these guys are so passionate about the industry that it's not just about dollars and cents, it's not just about numbers. To them it's more, it's their livelihoods, it's what they've built in their whole life. The likes of Bob Christie and Goulburn. I could probably go on forever. But I really do admire what these guys do. My first car was a 2012 SV6 Holden Grey Ute, a typical P-plater car. My current car, it is a 79 series Land Cruiser. I've gone from one opposite side of the spectrum to the other. So yeah, dream car. Porsche GT2 RS. Dream car.